Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into everyday makeup ideas to enhance your natural beauty. We're going for that effortless, I woke up like this vibe, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about skincare. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Start with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and it makes your makeup apply much more smoothly. Don't forget the sunscreen, especially if you'll be outside. Protecting your skin is super important. Now, for the makeup. We're keeping it simple, remember? First, apply a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. This gives you a bit of coverage and evens out your skin. Tone without feeling heavy. If you have any areas that need a little extra help, like blemishes or under eye circles, use a concealer. Blend it in really well, we want it to look natural. Next, let's add some color to our faces. A touch of blush makes a huge difference. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Peach and pink tones usually work well for a variety of skin tones. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards. For the eyes, we're keeping it simple. A little mascara is a must-have. Curl your lashes first for extra lift, then apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara. You can also use a natural-looking eyeshadow like a light brown or a taupe shade on your eyelids, which will make your eyes pop a bit. A quick trick is to apply a bit of highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes. It makes you look more awake. Eyebrows frame your face, so let's give them some love. If your eyebrows are sparse, you can use an eyebrow pencil or a brow gel to fill them in. Brush them through with a spoolie to blend everything for a natural look. Finally, let's talk about lips. A tinted lip balm or a sheer lipstick is perfect for everyday wear. It adds a touch of color and keeps your lips hydrated. You can also use a lip stain for a longer lasting effect. And that's it, a simple, natural makeup look that enhances your natural beauty. The key is to keep it light and focus on the features you want to highlight. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to embrace your natural beauty. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next one.